Hello there, Old Family Remedies here, and if you're watching this, you're probably familiar with that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest after a good meal. Do you suffer from indigestion or heartburn after meals? That burning sensation in your chest and bloating can be frustrating. It can really put a damper on your day, am I right? But don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple natural remedies that will give you fast relief and improve your digestion. We're talking about soothing those digestive woes and getting back to enjoying your favorite foods without the fear of heartburn. We've got a lot to cover, including a special anti-acid tea recipe at the end, so stick around. Gap-1.67s. Before we dive deeper into these amazing natural remedies, we'd love for you to join our community. If you find these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're all about sharing knowledge and helping each other live healthier, happier lives. So let's get back to it, shall we? Let's kickstart our day and our digestive systems the right way with a glass of warm lemon water. Think of this as a morning wake-up call for your stomach. Now, you might be thinking lemon juice, but isn't that acidic? And you'd be right, lemon juice by itself is acidic. However, once it mixes with our body's fluids, something interesting happens. It actually becomes alkalizing, helping to neutralize excess stomach acid. This is key because heartburn and indigestion often stem from an imbalance of stomach acid. Not only that, but the citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats. This means less bloating, less indigestion, and smoother sailing for your digestive system. Starting your day with warm lemon water is like giving your stomach a head start on digestion. It's a simple habit with powerful benefits. And hey, it's refreshing too. Next up, we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple that's been used for centuries to address digestive issues. You might be surprised to learn that similar to lemon juice, apple cider vinegar can actually help balance stomach acid levels. See, heartburn often occurs when there isn't enough stomach acid to properly digest food. Apple cider vinegar steps in to restore that balance. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps to increase stomach acidity, making it easier to break down food and prevent reflux. Here's how to incorporate it. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. It's best to drink this before meals to help prepare your stomach for digestion. Now, I know some people are hesitant about the taste, but trust me, it's worth it for the relief it can bring. And if you really can't stand the taste, you can always add a bit of raw honey to sweeten it up. Let's dive into ginger and its properties, a powerhouse when it comes to digestive health. Ginger has long been used in traditional medicine to soothe nausea, reduce bloating, and ease indigestion, and for good reason. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogalls, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the stomach lining and reduce irritation. It's like giving your stomach a warm hug. Making ginger tea is incredibly easy. Simply boil a few slices of fresh ginger in water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. The best part? Ginger tea not only tackles the physical symptoms of indigestion, but can also help reduce stress, which is often a trigger for digestive issues. It's a win-win. Ever feel that uncomfortable pressure after a meal? That's gas and bloating, and it can be a real pain, literally. But don't worry, we've got a natural solution for that too. Fennel seeds. These tiny seeds are like little digestive superheroes. They contain compounds that relax the muscles in your digestive tract, helping to prevent spasms and gas buildup. Fennel seeds also have carminative properties, meaning they help expel excess gas from your system. The best part is using fennel seeds is incredibly simple. Just chew on about a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals. You can also find fennel tea at most grocery stores. So next time you're feeling bloated and uncomfortable, reach for those fennel seeds. They're a natural, effective way to get your digestion back on track. We all know aloe vera for its soothing properties on sunburns, but did you know it can also work wonders for your gut? Aloe vera juice is a true healing elixir for your digestive system. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and soothe the lining of your stomach and esophagus. This is especially helpful if you suffer from heartburn caused by acid reflux. Aloe vera juice can help coat and protect those irritated tissues. For best results, try drinking half a cup of aloe vera juice before meals. You can find aloe vera juice at most health food stores. Just make sure to choose a brand that's organic and free of added sugars. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and aloe vera juice can help you achieve just that. It's time to discuss about snacks, because who doesn't love a good snack? But instead of reaching for those processed, sugary treats that can actually worsen heartburn, opt for a handful of raw almonds. Almonds are naturally alkaline, meaning they can help neutralize stomach acid and prevent that uncomfortable burning sensation. They're also a good source of fiber, which is essential for regular digestion and preventing constipation. Keep a small bag of almonds on hand for a quick and satisfying snack that won't trigger your heartburn. You can also add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for an extra boost of nutrition and digestive support. We've covered a lot of great natural remedies so far, but what about those times when you need immediate relief from heartburn? That's where baking soda comes in. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a powerful antacid. It works by quickly neutralizing stomach acid, providing fast relief from heartburn symptoms. To use baking soda for heartburn, mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it slowly. You should start to feel relief within a few minutes. However, it's important to note that baking soda is a temporary fix and shouldn't be used regularly. It's high in sodium and can interact with certain medications. It's always best to consult with your doctor before using baking soda for heartburn, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. As the day winds down, it's time to relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. But if heartburn tends to strike at night, it can make falling asleep a challenge. That's where chamomile tea comes in. Chamomile is known for its calming and soothing properties. It contains compounds that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. But chamomile tea can also work wonders for your digestive system. It helps reduce stomach acidity and soothe inflammation in the digestive tract. Sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can help calm both your mind and your stomach, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. You can find chamomile tea at most grocery stores. Look for organic varieties for the best quality. These simple changes can make a world of difference in how you feel. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear what works for you. And remember, if you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips. Taking care of your health is a journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.